Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last few videos, we have been talking about single linked list. Hope the entire concept was clear. Now with this video, we are going to start the next type of linked list, that is circular single linked list. Now before we start learning the operations that can be performed on circular single linked list, let's quickly recap what exactly is a circular single linked list. So if we remember from the types of linked list video, we said that circular linked list is exactly same as single linked list. The only difference is the last node in a circular single linked list points to the first node in the list. Whereas in case of single linked list, we saw that it is null, indicating that this node is the last node. So as obvious, the 6 operations that we performed on single linked list will also be very similar on circular single linked list with a small twist. So we'll see what are those twists. So the first operation that can be performed is creation. So how do we create a circular list? Idea is simple. So first we create a head reference and a tail reference. Then we create a blank node. Now we insert some value in that node. Let's say we insert 10. Now if we recall from our single linked list video, we said that we have to put null over here. But since this is a circular list, we will not put a null. Instead, we will put reference of the first node. Now what is the first node? So this node over here is the first node. So let's say the address of this node is 111. So we insert 111 in the reference. Now once we insert a 111, what it means is it automatically starts referencing to itself, hence making a loop. Fine. Now the next step is we have to update head and tail. So we insert 111 here, which will create a link between head and this node. Similarly, we will update tail, and this will also create a link between this node. So with that, we successfully created a circular single linked list. Now let's quickly see how does the algorithm looks like. So the algorithm is extremely simple. The name of the method is create single linked list. It takes the value that needs to be inserted in that node. In this case we took 10. Then we are creating a blank node. We are updating the value in that node. Node.next is equal to node. That means we are creating a loop over here. Then head is equal to node. We are inserting 111 here. Similarly, tail is equal to node. So we are inserting 111 here. So that is all about the algorithm. Let's see what is the time and space complexity of this algorithm. So creating a blank node will take constant time. Updating the value will take constant time. Updating some of the reference variables will again take constant time. So the total time complexity is order of 1. Similarly, space complexity is order of 1 because all that we are doing is we are creating a blank node and few temporary reference variables. So that is all about how to create a circular single linked list. Now in the next video, let's talk about how we can insert a node in a circular single linked list. So we'll end the video here. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.